Hello, in front of me I've got Blink Outdoor 4. In this video I'll tell you when you should switch between disarmed and armed mode. In general, armed mode enables motion detection, motion recording, notifications and live view. Disarmed disables those functions except live view. Use armed function when you are away, during sleep, or need active surveillance to monitor and record events. Use disarmed when you're in home or doing routine activities, for example gardening or walking around near the camera, to prevent unnecessary alerts and conserve battery. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and to subscribe.